Hi there, students. Egalitarian, an adjective, egalitarian. Egalitarianism, okay, another of these isms. The credo or the belief or the concept of being egalitarian. Okay, egalitarian means that everybody is equal, equal rights for everybody. Okay, so in an egalitarian society, everybody has equal political, economic, social, civil rights. Yeah, um, equal for everybody. Okay, so an egalitarian society would be a great thing to have. The equality of all mankind. Yeah, that this is something that is desirable, following egalitarian principles. So, yes, we all say that we want an egalitarian society, but I think one of the major problems with egalitarianism is I am always more important than everyone else, and that's the problem by it. Okay, so promoting policies of equality, of justice, of fairness. So, yes, I believe we should live in an egalitarian society. Yeah, everybody should have the same rights in life. Everybody should have the same opportunities. So, the principle of this society, or the main principle should have the principle should be egalitarianism. Yeah, an egalitarian, a person who believes that everybody is equally important and everybody should have the same rights. So let's see. I think egalitarianism today, either it's the political doctrine that everybody should be treated as equal, or it could as well talk about a social philosophy where you need to remove economic equalities, to remove differences between people, the decentralization of power. Yeah, so you might say that liberalism provides democratic societies with a framework for egalitarianism. Yeah, that everybody is equal. You have the English Bill of Rights and the American Constitution that are working towards an egalitarian society. Or the French motto, Liberté, Égalité, Fraternité. So, égalité, equal, everybody equal. Social egalitarianism. Yeah, no class should be better or worse. Yeah, we're all the same. And then what about egalitarianism and animals, people that are non-human people? Maybe we ought to think about some egalitarianism for all of the creatures on the planet. That might take it a little bit further. This goes with the idea all men are created equal. Yeah, from the US Declaration of Independence. But then, as George Orwell says, but some are more equal than others. So, egalitarianism. You support the idea that everyone is equal and everyone should have the same rights and opportunities. So we ought to take an egalitarian approach to how we do this. He has egalitarian ideals, egalitarian principles. Yeah, an egalitarian society, I guess, is a wonderful idea, but in the real world it could be more difficult. Yeah, an egalitarian spirit. This is the driving force of this group, for example. Okay, so formality. This is sociology, philosophy, politics. I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. I think you could use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think informally everybody's equal. Yeah, social equality for all. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, better in a semi-formal or a formal writing. And then as to origin, well, it comes from French, égalitaire, which is talking about meaning egalitarian, which itself comes from Latin, aequalis, okay, meaning equality, similarity, uniformity, or political equality. So there we go, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Egalitarianism.